Sending money abroad with RIA is simple and fast. First, open the RIA app or website, a login, or create an account. If you have not done so already, make sure your profile and recipient's details are all correctly filled out before you start. Next, tap send money and pick the destination country. Enter the amount you want to send, and RIA will show you the fee, the exchange rate, and the exact amount the recipient will receive. You can choose how the recipient gets the money: cash pickup, direct bank deposits, mobile wallet, or even home delivery in some places. Then add or select your recipient. Make sure their full name matches their ID exactly to avoid delays. Finally, review all the details carefully: amount, fees, recipient information, and delivery method. Then confirm and send. You will receive a reference code right away. Don't forget to share this with your recipient so they can track or pick up the money. Your recipient can then go to a cash pickup location or check their bank account depending on the method. You can both track the transfer in real time in the app or website.